What's up, guys? It's Movie over here back for Balloon Forget Tuesday. Today's unboxing will be for the second US release, and that is for They Will Kill You, which is streaming on HBO Max. And it stars Tom Felton, Heather Graham, Patricia Arquette, and a lot of other actors. And it's Blu-ray plus digital HD, so front, spine, back. You can read details and special features. Blu-ray disc. So yeah, movie collectors, that was my unboxing of They Will Kill You on Blu-ray. If you like this video, please click and subscribe. Comment below letting me know what's your favorite movie that came out in 2026. Thank you.